Welcome to my channel. In today's video I would like to show you the Spirit Animal Oracle by Colette Baron-Reid. This deck has 68 cards and 204 pages guidebook. It has been published by Hay House. Unfortunately I can't show you the box as I don't keep this deck in its box anymore. The guidebook looks like this. It has a lot of useful information about the creation of the deck and also about each card. In the beginning you see the list of individual cards. I've got some notes here as I've been translating the meanings of the card. Here's some introduction. You've got also some suggested spreads. And then it goes to the meanings of the cards. My favorite card in this deck is the Dragonfly Spirit. If I can find, I can read some for you. Dragonfly Spirit, Truth Transcendence Illusion. Oracle message. Dragonfly Spirit is here to remind you of the wisdom and truth available at all times in the hidden realms. Just as Dragonfly catches your eye with its reflective wings and body, Dragonfly Spirit appears to tell you to pay attention to the truth beyond the illusion and recognize the insight that comes seemingly out of nowhere, peeking through from behind the veil. In the realms of spirit, there is far more wisdom that you can perceive with your senses, and there is a deep knowing that you are the separate of alone, for a higher power recognizes you and loves you beyond measure. Fears dissipate as you realize you are embraced by the nurturing force that is everywhere, always in communication with you. A lightning when you are preoccupied. Dragonfly Spirit offers the message: you exist in unity with all, including the protective spirits who share their wisdom, and you are being nudged along the path your soul needs to travel to have the experience it craves. Love exists in many forms, and sometimes we overlook it when we don't recognize a particular form. Pay attention to the signs now. They remind you that each of us have inspired dreams seamlessly sewn into the fabric of the invisible world, and there is a great consciousness that exists in the seemingly empty spaces, guiding us on our journey. Open to the truth, letting the wisdom of the hidden realms inform you, providing insight your conscious mind overlooks. You also get a protection message if you read cards in reverse. So it gives you, it's the same like the card, it gives you the name of the animal and some keywords. It's nice to have such a deck in my collection. So now you can see the back of the cards. This deck is not etched. The artwork is beautiful, as you can see. It has vibrant colors. So each card gives you the number, the animal, and the keywords. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.